What is division? Division is the breaking up of number in equal number of parts. It can also be said division is repeated subtraction. The symbol of division is as shown. Let's look at the division of two-digit number by one-digit number. Example number 1. 24 divided by 8. It can be written as shown. Write 24 inside the bracket and 8 outside the bracket on the left side. Step 1. Recall the table of 8 to find the answer or quotient. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Step 2. Write 3 as the quotient. 8 into 3 equals to 24. So, write 24 under 24. Step 3. Subtract 24 from 24. It is 0. Here, 24 is dividend, 8 is divisor, 3 is quotient, 0 is remainder. Example number 2. 35 divided by 5. It can be written as shown. Write 35 inside the bracket and 5 outside the bracket on the left side. Step 1. Recall the table of 5 to find the answer or the quotient. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. Step 2. Write 7 as the quotient. 5 into 7 equals to 35. So write 35 under 35. Step 3. Subtract 35 from 35. It is 0. Here 35 is dividend, 5 is a divisor, 7 is quotient, 0 is the remainder. Example number 3. 21 divided by 3. It can be written as shown. Write 21 inside the bracket and 3 outside the bracket on the left side. Step 1. Recall the table of 3 to find the answer or the quotient. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. Step 2. Write 7 as quotient. 3 into 7 equals to 21. So, write 21 under 21. Step 3. Subtract 21 from 21. It is 0. Here 21 is dividend, 3 is divisor, 7 is quotient, and 0 is the remainder. Example number 4. 18 divided by 2. It can be written as shown. Write 18 inside the bracket and 2 outside the bracket on the left side. Step 1. Recall the table of 2 to find the answer or the quotient. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. Step 2. 9 as quotient. 2 into 9 equals to 18, so write 18 under 18. Step 3. Subtract 18 from 18. It is 0. Here 18 is dividend, 2 is divisor, 9 is quotient, and 0 is remainder.